Once you have assigned a resource to a course, the students of that course will be able to access the resource within Google Classroom. They'll simply log into Google Classroom as they normally would to access grades and other course materials. The resource will be found under the Stream tab of your course. To access the resource, your students will click the link as shown here. They may have to re-authenticate through Google once the resource appears. Once done, they can view the resource as a student. If the resource has assessments, the student will be able to answer them and submit their responses. More information on how you can grade responses, track standards, and save grades can be found in the link in the description.